Drone to be launched by JAL, ANA to remote places. Japan Airlines and ANA Holdings, the topmost aviation companies of Japan, are strategic to launch commercial drone services in the remote areas of Japan for the cause of delivering daily necessities and medical supplies to the people living there. The new drone services are being looked upon as one of the most useful tools in assisting people in preparing for disasters, to support and providing local health care facilities, and also to extend the community infrastructure on far-flung places and remote islands. Besides, for the supervision reinforcing profitability, since the overall business performance dropped to low levels due to the persisting coronavirus pandemic effects, and to promote diversification in management, the initiatives are expected of great help. A trial run was conducted by the joint efforts of ANA Holdings, a parent of All Nippon Airways at Co., and other concerns, along with the pharmaceutical company in March. A footage was released where it shows a parcel of medical supplies to be taken by the drone from one island to another in southwestern Japan, where there are several Nagasaki Prefecture's Goto Islands. The recorded speed of the drones is about 100 km per hour.